Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about your Hashgraph guys. So in this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction. I'm talking about 100% positive coin in the market, which is 100% profitable for all of you in a right now situation. You know what guys, in a right now situation, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, which these all coin is in the dumping, but in a right now situation, Hedera Hashgraph is a unique that you can see here guys that the all changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph is positive. Last one day, and last 1 week, last 1 hour, these all changes is positive in a Hedera Hashgraph. So that's why guys I recommend Hedera Hashgraph for all of you to invest now, because now it is a profitable in the market. Let me show you the price chart of Hedera Hashgraph. You can see here guys, the price chart also tells us that it's a jumping time guys. The Hedera Hashgraph is now going to the moon. Are you ready to the moon? Buy now Hedera Hashgraph, make a huge profit. There is really a huge opportunity for a short-term investor. Wake up, buy now Hedera Hashgraph. You can see here, if we talk about the price of Hedera Hashgraph in the right now situation, so is about 0.419937 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching.